So it is very difficult even for Malayali kids to learn Malayalam. So it is equally difficult for them to teach a Malayalam song. To perform a Malayalam song, our Kuttis group song team is coming onto the stage. Laya, Paru, Sri Kuti, Devu and Adi. Mega Tiruvadira on the ground behind the stage. After that, there will be the delicious Sadhya at our clubhouse, followed by Onam games at CA area. ഈ കുട്ടി പൊട്ടാസുകൾക്ക് നല്ലൊരു കൈയടി ആവശ്യമില്ലേ?